Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install WordPress in cPanel. So at first we will access our cPanel account and then we will install WordPress using the auto installer. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all you need to log into your cPanel account. Now from the cPanel account dashboard we are going to scroll down and here we will see an option Softaculous Apps Installer. Click on it. Now from here we are going to select WordPress. Click on install now. Now at first we are going to select our domain name on which we want to install WordPress. After that we need to add our admin username and password. So we are going to add it here. So we need to add our admin username, admin password and admin email. And admin username and password will be used later on to log into our WordPress website dashboard. Once we are done adding these details, we are going to scroll down. We can select the language and after that we are going to click on install from here. And as you can see that WordPress is now installing on our domain. It will take a little bit time. So we have successfully installed WordPress on our domain using the cPanel. Now to access our WordPress website, we are going to click on this first link and it will take us to our WordPress website. So this is the WordPress website that we have just created using the cPanel. Now if you want to access the dashboard of your WordPress website, just click on this second link and it will take you to the dashboard of your WordPress website. So this is how you can install WordPress on your domain and hosting using cPanel. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.